Right, good morning, welcome to another session with OCD. So today I've got the dMAX maintenance wash to do. I've got the snow foam, I've got the car wash, the shampoo, and I've got the spray and protect sealant, which is wipe on, buff off sealant. So that's what we're going to do today. The car's here. It's not as dirty as I thought it was going to be. It is grey, so you don't really see the dirt on it as much as you do on some other cars, but it hasn't won first prize. My daughter's Nissan was a lot dirtier than that, but it is pretty grubby, so we'll go over and start that in a minute. First issue that I've got with the snow foam is there's nothing on the back, nothing on the instructions that says what the dilution rate is. Nothing at all. On the car wash it's got 2%, but on here it's got nothing. So what I've done, I've mixed up quite a strong solution. I've put 100 millilitres of solution of product, 100 millilitres of product into 800 millilitres of water in my snow foam glass. So I'm expecting that to be pretty good. So I've got snow foam set up. I've got my bucket with my 2% of car wash. I've got that set up. First thing I'm going to do is do the wheels. Now I haven't got anything here from dMAX to do the wheels, so I'm just going to use brake buster. So I'll do that separately, and then we'll video washing the car. So I'll see you when I finish the wheels. No, I won't. I need to show you the car first. Let's go and look at the car. Right, so very grubby wheels. Pretty grubby car. So yeah, it's pretty grubby, but you know, 5-6 months, so I wasn't going to video cleaning the wheels, but I'll video one wheel because that is pretty dirty. So we'll do a brake buster wash on the wheel, and then we'll get on and we'll do the rest of the car. So let's get me hosing that out and we'll get stuck in. Right, so excuse me, so you can see pretty grubby. So we'll spray it off, we'll put some brake buster on it. I've got a solution of Gary Therapy One Wheel Shampoo in my bucket with my brushes and that in, so that'll help. And it may be that I need another wheel cleaner afterwards, but we'll have a look, let's see. Right, one down, ready to go. So I've cleaned the wheels, and that took quite a while, but they've come up all right. So let's give it a rinse off. See what this is like then, it's no fun. It smells very nice, very citrusy. Right, let's leave that to do its business. Alright, that's had 8 or 9 minutes, so let's get that off. Well, it says on the packaging, thick snow foam. It wasn't particularly thick, but it took a lot of washing off, rinsing off. And the back end was particularly grubby. And as you know, I'm sceptical of snow foam. But it seems to have done a pretty good job. I hate to say it, not because I want to down the product, but because I'm sceptical of snow foam. And maybe I've just proved myself wrong. Mind you, that's not easy, that's not difficult, is it? Absolutely no protection on the vehicle whatsoever. But I have to say, the snow foam looks to have been pretty effective. Let's get some shampoo on that because it's starting to dry. Well, that's quite sudsy, quite soapy. It's got some good lubrication in, so yeah, it's looking good. I'm going to carry on with the rest of the car. Okay, so that's washed. The soap lasts throughout the whole wash, and it's quite slick. It's got a lot of lubrication in it. Yeah, it's a very nice shampoo. I need to get that off now, so let's just get the pressure washer out and rinse it. Okay, so that's the snow foam and the shampoo done. Car's dried. I'm now going to get the sealant. There we are, sealant. So this says that spray a small amount onto a polishing pad or a microfiber. Allow to cure for 5 minutes, and then using a clean microfiber buff off. So literally wipe on, wipe off. When I didn't buy this, it was sent to me, but it's certainly not full up. Right, let's give that a go, shall we? Right, so that went on okay. I'll carry on, and then in 5 minutes I'll buff it off. Okay, that's been a good 5 minutes. So well, I have to say that feels lovely. It's a little bit grippy when you pull it off, when you buff it off, but not too much. But it seems, I don't know whether it's the paintwork, but it seems as though it just seems a bit harder. The paint seems to harden up on the paint. It's lovely, it's really nice. Makes it, when you're buffing it, it makes you feel as though you've actually put something on there. Yeah, I like it. Let me carry on and buff the rest of the car, and then we'll have a walk around. Right, so here we are, boys and girls. Job done. Right, so my thoughts. As you know, a bit cynical about snow foam. However, that did the job. I thought that was quite effective actually. It says it's thick and clingy. I didn't think it's particularly thick, that might be my fault. However, it did stay on there for 10 minutes, and when I rinsed it off, and it took a fair bit of rinsing off, not because it was sticky, but it just re-energised the soap. So it took some getting off, but that was fine. Did a good job actually. I was very pleasantly surprised, because I'm cynical about snow foam. Actually, they did a good job. My issue would be no dilution rates in the instructions, so dMAX, get that sorted out please, and then that'd be great. So ticking the box for that, I liked it. Poseidon car wash, that has got dilution rate on the back, kept its foam all the way through, it's nice and soapy, and it had good levels of lubrication, so that's a good product. That's a nice shampoo. I will put the prices below when I do the video, because I said I would check out the website for prices for the end of this video, but I haven't done, but I will before I upload it. And that leaves me with Spray and Protect Sealant. It's a wipe on, wipe off sealant. It says here that you leave it for 5 minutes until the solution has dried to a haze. I found that if you left it too long, it was quite tedious to buff off. It buffed off, didn't leave any marks or streaks or anything, but if you left it for less than 5 minutes, it was easier to get off. That's a good product. My issue is it doesn't say how long you should expect this to last. So is this going to last a week, 2 weeks, a month, 2 months, 6 months? No idea. So I think they need to just update the information on the backs of their product. But otherwise, dMAX, 3 ticks in the boxes. I enjoyed the products. Nice one, well done. I will take you for a quick look around the car in a minute. You won't see much. I say this every time. It looks nice and shiny. A dirty car probably looks nice and shiny in the right light, but I'll take you around anyway because why not? The only other thing I would say is, for those of you that are interested, I've talked before about a project that hopefully will I'll release that video on Sunday, which will be the 8th, I think that is. So Sunday the 8th, I'll hopefully, fingers crossed, release a video revealing my project. Until then, I'll take you for a quick walk around the car, but until then, until Sunday, you guys take care. Bye bye. And now dry it with water. So there you go. Not an awful lot of point to doing this, I don't suppose, because any car can look good, but it does look good. It's got a nice deep shine on it. Very happy with that. Right, you guys take care. Bye bye.